guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you, and I think this is my most expensive unboxing I've ever done. It's from Beauty Expert, and if you don't know, Beauty Expert is a website which I will link for you guys that sells all kinds of makeup, skincare, beauty tools, hair stuff, perfumes. They're owned by the Hut Group, who own Glossybox and Look Fantastic, amongst lots of other things. And they contacted me and asked if I wanted to review their latest Beauty Expert collection, which is the Glow edition. And I sort of had a little look and I thought, you know what, this looks fancy pants. I feel like quite a lot of my subscribers really like high-end skincare stuff, so I went for it. I said yes please. They sent it along and I didn't pay any attention on it, so I've opened it but I haven't actually taken anything out yet. So it came in a big box. This is £99, but it's worth £277. Their website at the moment, just a generic code that anybody can use, is 15% off and a free jade roller when you spend £65. Use code BEAUTY. I will link all that and this down below for you guys. But let's just get in because I'm excited. So in a bag. Ooh. Get rid of that and have a look. Ooh. It feels fancy pants. So it's a makeup bag with little studs on the bottom. It says Beauty Expert on the front. Let's get in it. It is all still sealed with the little plastic doodads, so I need to get them off. Oh, look. This is what's inside. This is like a full-on book. The Book of Beauty, the Glow edition. And it's got discover the contents, a note from the editor. Many of us look into our beauty routines to achieve the perfect glow all year round. This season is all about feeling confident in your own skin and boosting your natural glow. The Glow edition is a curated edit of 6 products handpicked by Beauty Expert team, each working to enhance your skin's distinctive radiance using natural active ingredients. From high performance skincare solutions to gently refining formulas, each product reveals an improved skin texture that looks instantly more youthful and energized. By selecting skincare ingredients that work in harmony to renew and regenerate the complexion, it has never been easier to combine visible skin radiance with an anti-aging skincare regime. So that sounds exciting. So I'm just going to grab stuff. So the first thing I've got is a Manuka Doctor hand oil, 24 karat gold and Manuka honey. That is this one. This is worth £20. This is a 25ml little box. I love the bee on the top. It's so pretty. Where's my little dinosaur tooth to open things? I've got no nails at the moment. Ooh, a little bee on the top. That's so cute. So this says, no, that's not that one. I'm on the wrong page. Let me go on the right page. Oh, it looks like a cute little bottle. Nope, that's again the wrong page. I'm just on the wrong stuff. This one. So this is it. It says, New Zealand beauty brand that harvests the country's finest Manuka honey. Manuka Doctor naturally inspired skincare solutions are refined and concentrated and contain a myriad of high-performing natural ingredients. Oh my god, it actually looks like honey glitter. Look at that. That looks amazing. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. Infused with 24 karat gold, Manuka honey and precious plant extracts such as argan, macadamia and sesame oil. The 24 karat gold and Manuka honey oil hand oil is to keep dryness at bay. With a dry oil formula that avoids leaving residue, this nourishing oil will boost moisture and add a light shimmery glow. So let's have a little look. Dispense a few drops onto dry hands and massage in. just going to put a little bit on because I won't be able to undo anything else. I love anything with a pipette. Just feels fancy as. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells so nice. And it's gone already. Like, that's really easily absorbed. Ooh, shimmer hand. Yes. That is awesome. Okay, next thing. Okay, now this is an acid fix and it is Omorovitska. I can never say it right. Now, I've tried a few things from these in the past and my skin has not liked them, which has been very annoying because everybody raved about them. However, pregnancy skin might be something different because my skin is dry at the moment and it's never dry. So, I'm going to try it and see. This is £85. Hungarian Beauty brand, famed for harnessing the healing powers of Budapest thermal waters, provides a potent blend of AHAs and BHAs. This multi-benefit treatment, it gently exfoliates dead skin cells to reveal a more brighter, radiant, plumper skin. Rich in glycolic, I can't say that word, and lactic acid. Just a few drops of acid fix works to boost luminosity, reduce pigmentation and improve the texture of the skin. So it says apply a thin even layer in the evening following your cleansing and toning ritual. Leave on overnight and cleanse your face as normal the following morning. For better results, use 2 to 3 times a week. I'm not going to put this on now because I've got makeup on, but I want to have a look at it. Oh, it's another pipette. It's another pipette. Look, £85. It's beautiful packaging. Super pretty. We'll put him back in there for now. But that is very exciting. So if that doesn't work on my skin, if I do have a reaction, I will be giving this away. Hopefully it will work. Okay, next up, I've got a Time Bomb Divine Intervention Glow Oil. That's really pretty packaging. This is £50. Targeting the 4 main causes of skin aging. Oh, it's another pipette. Time Bomb is the skincare brand that works to stop the clock. Look how pretty this bottle is. It says Time Bomb and on this side it says Divine Intervention. Having identified these 4 causes of loss of moisture, collagen, oil and it promotes a healthy youth boosted complexion. The Time Bomb Intervention Glow Oil is a decadent blend of naturally sourced essential oils that work in harmony to create a lit from within glow. The dry oil texture is lightweight and deeply nourishing, sinking into your skin beautifully. Powered by frankincense, hemp extract and Tsubuki? T-S-U-B-A-K-I. I don't know how to say anything. I'll put it on the screen. Someone will tell me. Soft supple skin is a step away. Apply 6 to 8 drops to your palms, rub together and gently press into your skin. It's lightweight. This oil can be integrated with both your morning and evening skincare routines. Because my skin is dry, I'm hoping this is going to be amazing. Before pregnancy, I didn't ever use anything oil based, so I'm very excited to try that. Oh, it's another pipette. This just makes me happy. The clock stops here. It's quite a good little don't wait for the light, be the light. Oh, all inspirational shiz. Okay, next up we've got Eve Lom Radiance Transforming Mask. This is worth £65. Let's get this open. All this packaging, you can just tell it's expensive. It feels amazing. So this is the mask. Ooh, got a little spatula in it. So this is the mask, and then you've got a little spatula as well. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, there's not a lot of smell to it. It's really solid. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that at all. I've never seen a mask like that before. Let's see what this bad boy does. Let's see. I am a big believer in spending money on your skincare because I definitely feel like when you have good skincare, you can wear less makeup. That's how I feel anyway. So I'm spending a lot on skincare is where I would rather spend my money than on makeup, if that makes sense. This is a transforming mask, and this is developed by renowned and respected facialist Eve Lom. This intensive mask reawakens skin to reveal a renewed and supple complexion. A rich treatment blended with Australian lime pearl caviar, a natural form of AHA, antioxidant-rich botanical oils. This mask purges skin of impurities. It's got sunflower seed and rosemary leaf to hydrate, magnesium, zinc and copper to protect. Warming upon application, the transforming mask transforms into a silk-like cushion that when applied to the skin. When worn for 30 minutes, this mask provides up to 6 hours of hydration, and when worn overnight, it can hydrate your skin for up to 72 hours. That sounds awesome. I definitely can't wear it overnight because I sleep on my face. I don't sleep on my face, but you know what I mean, face in the pillow. But I will definitely give this a go tonight and see what it's like for half an hour. I'm very excited for that. Next up, we've got Filorga. I probably said that wrong. Sleep and Peel Resurfacing Night Cream with hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. This is £33. I've never heard of this brand. Oh, it's a big box and a little tub. Yeah, this is a sleep mask, I think. I won't open it now. Let's see what it says about this one. Here we go. Founded by French doctor of aesthetic medicine, Filorga is a brand built on medically inspired topical creams. Rich and velvety texture, this night cream not only delivers intense moisture but renews skin's natural radiance by performing a gentle peeling action. And it's got different acids in it. Unveil soft and glowing skin overnight. After cleansing, apply at night every day for normal skin or every other day for sensitive skins. So I will probably do this every other day. But that is, I like the idea of peeling my face off overnight. That sounds exciting. And then we've got a Medora, and this is a scrub. This is a exfoliating oil to milk scrub. I've had a couple of bits from Medora before that were nice. So, a Nordic brand built on effective ingredients, honest claims, and a focus for environmental impact. Medora products are inspired by legends of northern healing herbs. Apricot and oat oil molecules to lift impurities, natural volcanic sand to unclog pores. Oh, that sounds awesome. To use, squeeze the product onto palms and gently massage onto skin. Apply in circular motions to boost circulation, and then add a splash of water to melt the oil into milk. That sounds really cool. Does that get your makeup off? I don't think it does. You don't want to put it in your eyes, would you? It's sealed. I'm not going to open it now. But that is the box. So that entire box is worth £277, which is definitely the most expensive thing I've unboxed on this channel. I will leave all the links down below for you guys. If there's anything that you've tried or that you think looks really cool, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you to Beauty Expert for sending me this because I'm very excited. The Time Bomb oil I think is what I'm most excited to try, just because my skin is so dry at the moment, so we'll see if that can work its magic. Let me just see if I've got anything else to tell you. Nope, that is it. That's everything. I'll leave the discount codes that are on their website as standard. They sell all different brands and makeup, and there's lots on there. It's definitely worth heading over and having a look. But if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.